All right. Still driving around the United States for a little bit, getting some stuff moved around. I'm at the La Quinta, Blue Springs, Missouri, which is on the east side of Kansas City, just a suburb. Kind of like as you're coming in from the east, it's one of the first cities you get into. But first of all, lady at the front desk, super friendly, super nice. I got in an hour early, checked in an hour early, no issues. So they had rooms. Didn't even balk. So there's the front door. Let's go over here. Let's look at the closet here. Got the luggage rack, standard stuff. We got the fridge, microwave coffee. Let's turn the light on. There we go. Nice big sink. Big sink. Nice light around the mirror. And standard, kind of big. Kind of up high too. That looks pretty nice. Let's take a peek here. 2 queens. They offered me, since I got status, I had to get status with the credit card, links below, if I wanted an upgrade. I said no. I didn't. It's just me, I didn't need it because I'm going to be sleeping. And as soon as I'm not even going to be staying for breakfast, so I probably won't even be reviewing it. You can see it's 2 o'clock. Not even 2. I'm going to go to sleep here like in 15, 20 minutes. Take a shower and go to bed. Whenever I wake up, probably 11, 12, 1 o'clock tonight, I'm just taking off, so I won't be for breakfast. But looking at everything, it's a standard breakfast, but that's a huge TV. Holy smokes. That is a huge TV. That's a 55-inch TV right there. Take a peek at the remote. And there's an input button. So it'd be real easy to hook a Roku up. I'm not gonna. Yep, right over there. Nice sized desk over there. I'm on the 3rd floor. See if we can see anything here. Not bad. Not bad. There's the look at it back there. Got a couple stuff in here, not too bad. 3 things in here. That's not too bad for a little La Quinta. This is a nice place, very clean, very clean everywhere I've been. All right, final review here, La Quinta. Everything was good, real good. No issues in the bathroom. Like most, shower was great, good height, good water temperature. Lots of room in this one. If it was a tub one, lots of room. It's bigger than normal. No pressure, but that's normal. Can't do anything about that. Well, almost everyone's low pressure. Everything good. The sink, microwave worked good. Fridge was working. Bed was great. Good bed. Wasn't soft. Wasn't hard. Perfect. Pillows. I don't like the really soft pillows. These are really soft, feathery ones. Like my wife really likes it. So, yeah, it is what it is. It's your personal preference. TVs would have been easy to hook up. I checked. It has an input button on the remote. And in the back's HDMI. It would have been real easy to set up a Roku. I did not. I just came and went to sleep. I did order Chinese last night. Good Chinese. Delivered right to the hotel. No issues. I'm going to be nitpicky here. Nothing with the hotel. Good thing the hotel, super quiet. I mean, quiet. Even the AC was really quiet. We're not too far from the freeway. I could hear the freeway. Now, at no time did it ever wake me up. At no time did it ever bother me. But normally, a little noise in the hotel covers that up. It is so quiet here, you hear that on the freeway, which I think is kind of a good problem, maybe in a way. But everything's good here. I have absolutely no complaints. One thing I did like, the clock is really, really big. Like really big. Yeah, it's midnight. I'm taking off. When I travel like this, I just get to the hotel. I go to sleep. Whenever I wake up, I just take off. No goofing off. So that's it. I hope you guys like this video. Right here, if you're in Kansas City, I recommend this place. Got it for a decent price. We used points. Like I said, I could have got an upgrade. I said no. I was just sleeping and leaving. If I was going to spend some time here, maybe I would have. They let me check in early. But I'd rather have somebody else get the upgrade that might want it. So that's it. I hope everybody has a great day. If you don't mind, like, subscribe if you like this stuff. Leave me a comment if you want me to do anything else, the hotels or sea stuff. Everybody have a great day. Thanks. Bye.